How to fix Fortnite crash on PC. So if you want to fix your Fortnite crash on PC, then what you need to do is just follow these options. First thing you need to do is make sure your computer meets Fortnite's minimum requirements. So in order to run Fortnite on your PC or your computer, you'll need to meet the minimum requirement specifications, which are listed below, such as graphics card, the processor, the memory, and the OS. Make sure that it meets the requirements. And if it meets the requirements and if you are still facing the issue, then second thing is you need to adjust your graphics settings. Click on your profile picture, which will be in the top right corner, and then press Escape button. Then click on the cogwheel icon to open your Fortnite settings and make sure that you're on the video tab. It's the first one on the list with the TV icon, and scroll down until you see the graphics quality header. Change your quality preset to low if you only just meet Fortnite's minimum specs. You can also click the auto set button next to the auto set quality to allow Fortnite to pick the best settings based on your system. The third thing you can do is disable your background programs. If your computer just meets Fortnite minimum specs, background programs can take up resources that your computer needs to run Fortnite. To ensure Fortnite has access to all of your computer resources, close any unnecessary background programs such as your internet browser, Discord, or other games, etc. The next thing you can do is restart your Fortnite. Sometimes random glitches can cause Fortnite to crash. These glitches can potentially be cleared out by restarting your game. You can click on the profile picture in the top right corner or press the escape, then click on the red exit button, which will be in the bottom of the panel that pops up. Confirm you want to close Fortnite, then open it again from the Epic Games launcher, and it might fix your problem. Or the last thing you can do is just go and restart your computer. Just like Fortnite itself, sometimes your computer will get random glitches that causes programs to not work properly. Close out of any open programs, then restart your computer. Once your computer is back on, try playing Fortnite again to see if the crashing is fixed. These were the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.